Hello, friends. Today is Child Labor Day, and this day is observed globally on June 12th each year. This day aims to raise awareness about the plight of child laborers. I will try to share few points about Child Labor Day. Number 1, purpose and significance. What is the purpose and what is the significance of this day? Why do we celebrate every year? The primary purpose of Child Labor Day to draw attention to the global extent of child labor and to encourage initiatives to eliminate it. The day is a reminder of the commitment made by nations, organizations, and individuals to protect children's rights to ensure that children have the opportunity to be educated and to enjoy their childhood without the burden of labor. Number 2, global impact. Child labor is a significant issue worldwide, with millions of children engaged to work that deprives them from their childhood, education, and safety. Child Labor Day brings global attention to the conditions that force children into labor, such as poverty, lack of access to education, and inadequate legal frameworks. It also highlights the progress made in reducing child labor and the ongoing challenges. Now, number 3, call to action. On Child Labor Day, governments, employers, workers, organizations, and civil society groups are urged to collaborate and take concrete actions to combat child labor. This includes implementing policies that provide social protection for children and families, ensuring access to quality education, enforcing labor laws, and promoting sustainable economic growth that benefits all sectors of society. The day serves as a rallying point for stakeholders to recommit to ending child labor. So, this is all about. Thank you. I think we all must get some lesson from this lecture. Take care.